How to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can fix the Bluetooth audio delay issue that is happening on your Android device. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So the very first thing you need to do is go to the settings of your app, and here just scroll down to developer options. If you don't have the developer options, I want you to go on about phone, and here go on software information and tap on this bell number 7 times. After that, the developer options will be enabled into your device, and then go to the main settings, and here you will be able to see the developer option. Just tap on that option, and here just scroll down until you get into the Bluetooth settings. After that, I want you to make sure to turn this HD audio option on. Just enable the option. Right now I can't enable it because I have not connected any Bluetooth device, but if you have connected any Bluetooth device, you will be able to turn this option on. After enabling the option, just tap on this Bluetooth audio codec option and just tap on this AAC and enable the AAC option and tap on OK. That will help you provide a clear quality of audio into your Bluetooth device. After that, I want you to go to the main settings again, and here this time scroll down a bit up and go to connections. Just tap on it and tap on Bluetooth, and here you will be able to see the device that you're paired with. Just tap on that device and forget the device. Wait for about 10 to 14 seconds and reset the device and reconnect, and I'm sure that will fix your Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android, hopefully. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.